to this party. It has happened.
Ow! Ow! Well, I don't know. I might come. It is only down the street, so I guess I walk and then I won't have to drink and drive. Alright, sounds like a plan. See you in a bit.
Corner had swagger like us, swagger like us, swagger like us. No one on the corner had swagger like us, swagger like us, swagger like us.
Hey, Carolyn here! Anna! And you know what? It's what time? What time does that say? 3:16! Woo! Going to get some what?
T-Bone! As teenagers, we think we're invincible, but 18s lose their lives to drunk driving teens every day. Don't be another one of those 8.
You're not alone, together we stand. I'll be by your side, you know I'll take your hand. When it gets cold and it feels like the end,